राधा गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति। वक्तुं समर्थो नवति कश्चित्, अहो जनानां व्यसनाभिमुख्यम्। जिह्वे पिबस्व, जिह्वे पिबस्व, जिह्वे पिबस्वामृतं ये तदेवा, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति। Again, a very familiar song, an old song. And somebody asked me, who is your relative? I said, only Krishna, nobody else. He is the one who is with me, whether I'm sad or glad. He is the one who plays on the flute. He is the one who is tied to the mortar. He is the one who performs Rasa Leela. मेरे तो बिहारी भैया दूसरों न कोई, वो ही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। मेरे तो बिहारी भैया दूसरों न कोई, वो ही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। उसके ही गुण में रात दिन गाऊं, देश में घूमूं या विदेश में जाऊं। कोई कहे भोली भैया पगली कहे कोई, कोई कहे भोली भैया पगली कहे कोई, वही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। मेरे तो बिहारी भैया दूसरों न कोई, वही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। कान्हा मैं तुझे बुलाऊं जल्दी चले आना, राधा को भी साथ लाके मुरली को सुनाना। बरसाऊंगी पाँव तले चंपा और जूही, बरसाऊंगी पाँव तले चंपा और जूही, तू ही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। मेरे तो बिहारी भैया दूसरों न कोई, वही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। कुछ नहीं मांगू कृष्ण प्रेम धन मैंने पाया, कुछ नहीं मांगू कृष्ण प्रेम धन मैंने पाया। मिश्री संग स्वादु माखन किसी ने खिलाया, अरे मिश्री संग स्वादु माखन किसी ने खिलाया। मुरली बजाई, मुरली बजाई रास रचाई, उखल से बंधा वही, मुरली बजाई रास रचाई, उखल से बंधा वही, वही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। मेरे तो बिहारी भैया दूसरों न कोई, वही मेरे साथ रहा, हंसिया में रोई, मैं हंसिया में रोई। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। How do you like the poster? Arjuna and Subhadra. Luckily, we found one. Can you believe it was ready in 20 minutes? That is Sri Perumbudur. I feel very happy about this small little town which commemorates the sage Sri Ramanujacharya. I don't know, there's a digital studio. Ramuji and Radhika rang up the person and he said, please send the driver. Within 20 minutes, it will be ready. And there it was. I want you to notice that there is a chariot behind. And the chariot is driven by Subhadra. I hope you know. There were only two women in our scriptures who had driving license long before the British woman got her driving license. One was Kaikeyi, who drove in the war and helped her husband Dasharatha. The second is Subhadra. How she drives, I'll tell you in a few minutes. Wait and see. My dear listeners, it's a romantic story. I think Krishna is romantic, his Bhakta Arjuna is also romantic. Pandavanam Dhananjaya. I told you yesterday in the Purva Katha Prasanga, Arjuna has come to the cave and is residing there. I'm sure you have noticed in movies that the hero is stranded, but somebody will get him food from somewhere. Don't ask how, the director wants it. That's how the master director wants. You know, people come for Vanabhojana once a year or maybe sometime for a picnic. You take the food and go to the Vana. It's nice to eat rather on the same dining table over and over again. My definition of the dining table is Kurukshetra. The moment you sit to eat, you're fighting. You're not eating, you're fighting. I don't know why all controversial topics come up when you're eating. The servant is confused, the wife is confused, the husband is confused, children don't know what to ask. They get up halfway through the meal and go away. But that is what happens in families now. That is why we go for a picnic. Because at the picnic, the atmosphere is more than a creed, as the saying goes. Nice to eat in the open air, sitting on the lawn. In Madras, we have the Marina Beach, where people, middle class people particularly, who have small houses, huddled together. Every evening you can see on hot summer evenings, all of them are there on the beach. You want to eat in the open air, watching the sea. Similarly, near the mountain, Aniya Shailasya Bhyasham Vana Bhojanam Ashrayat. People came there, Utsavante cha dadrushuhu. They had finished the Utsava. Everything for the Yadavas is Utsava because they want to do it the traditional way. Arjunam Yatirupinam. Suddenly somebody sees him. Oh, there is a Swamiji. All of us know Hindus have a great weakness for Swamijis. The moment you see any Yati, you stand up and do pranam to him, naturally. Sambhramena namaschakruhu. Come, 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 come. In the Gufa today, there is a very radiant sannyasin sitting. Ativa vinayanvitaha. With great humility, they bowed down. Ugrasena, who is the grandfather of Sri Krishna, Bhagavan yoginam shrestha yatsvam asmat sthalam shitaha. Oh, best among the yogis, you and I are laughing. Arjuna doesn't know how to restrain his laugh. Aham kim karavanyadya kinkarastava bho vivu mune. O Muni, O Master, O ascetic, O sage, you have come into our territory. What can we do for you? Drishtvaeva atis maunastham te sarve cha visasmire. But the Lord had told him, don't open your mouth. If you open your mouth, they will recognize your voice because Arjuna's voice is something known to the entire world. The war cry, that is the great warrior's voice. Don't you open your mouth. Better keep quiet and remain silent. It's difficult to remain silent, and silence makes you exalted in the world because everybody's yap, 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 talking, blah, 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 blah. That's why the English language calls it babble, babble. And Here are the people saying, oh, Swamiji doesn't talk. Swamiji is Kashtamounam. So what shall we do? They are visasmire. They are bewildered. Iti vismayam apanna Krishnaya artham nyavedayat. If there is any problem, everybody goes only to Krishna. He is the troubleshooter. Everybody has to go to him. Bho bho Krishna. Oh Krishna, oh Krishna. Krishna says, yes. What's the matter? A Mahayogi has come. A great yogi has come from somewhere. Vartate girigahvare. In the cave, there is a Mahayogi. Prushto pikinchinna brute. Nissango nirmalo munihi. People are innocent. So they say, if a man doesn't talk, he must be a very great man. He must be a great man, pure soul. Nirmalo muni. He is a muni who is pure, immaculate. The Lord says, stop it now. There are sannyasins and sannyasins. I am not bothered about them. Kimanena vicharena yatinam vipinam gati. After all yatis must be in the vipina, must be in the forest. What do you want me to do? Yogina kati vartante kim asmabhi prayojanam. What is the prayojana for us? Stop it now. Don't talk about. There are yatis and yatis and yatis in the world. Yadavas say, Krishna, you are a child. Krishna is a child. Purana Purushottama. He is the oldest of the oldest of the oldest. Our great grandfather's great grandfather's great grandfather. That is what he is. And the Yadavas say, young Krishna, childish Krishna, boyish Krishna, Itham Vatsana Vaktavyam, little child, don't talk like that. You shouldn't talk ill about the great monks. Tvaya Balisha Buddhina, you have a childish intellect. You don't understand deep matters. Yati yasya grahe bhunkte grasa matram apidvijaha tushyanti pitaras sarve trayo lokas sahishvara, which is true. They say, where a yati has bhiksha, whenever a Swamiji comes, why do we ask the yati to come home? Because where the yati has one meal, one grasa, even one morsel, all the pitras are happy. That is why we go to a mutt of Raghavendra or Vadiraja or famous mathas or Shankaracharya Matha or Ramanujacharya Matha and offer Hastodakam. So that when we offer that jala and the meal for the day, all our pitras are happy. All our pitras. Yasya yatir yasya grihe bhunkte grasa matram api dvijaha. Even one morsel if he eats. Tushyanti pitaras sarve trayo loka sahishvaraha. All the lokas, the three lokas, the Ishwaras in the lokas, all of them are happy. Krishna says, Evam evana sandeha sannyasini graham gate purvam amantranam kritva nahi bhojayita yatihi. I understand about yatis having food. I understand about their giving you the power to please all your pitras. But you can't have a yati being invited and giving lunch. That is not the way. Yati should not be invited and given lunch. But Yadavas have an answer for that. This is Chaturmasya. This is Chaturmasa. And in the Chaturmasa, we can invite him home. Chaturmasya vidhikkarya bhavata asmatpure adhuna athonmilya arjuno netre mauni mandam jahasaha. All the Yadavas went and said, Swamiji, please listen to us. We know you are observing silence, but this is Chaturmasa. So please come into our region. Please come into our territory and give us the honor of your presence. When they said that, slowly the Swamiji smiled. Slowly, which means yes. Okay. Mauni mandam jahasaha. A very soft smile he gave. Athainam aniya purantike mathe. There was a matha. Just matha means a place where you have Swamiji's living. Samarchayamasu ativa Yadava. All the Yadavas came. Oh, Swamiji has agreed to come. Let us have this beautiful monastery for him. Let him stay there. Bhiksham grihitva pratigeham arjunaha bhuktva mathe kevala maunamavahan. He went from house to house and got bhiksha, because that is what the yati has to do. Yati should not cook his meal. Yati should live on bhavati bhiksham dehi. Those days, it was the desire of every grahastha to feed somebody. Today we are so frugal, we are so practical. How many of you are coming for lunch? How many are coming for breakfast? What will you have for breakfast? So your diet also has to be restricted by your invitation. I don't know why we have become like this. What the hell are you going to take with you when you go up? What is it that you're going to? Can't you make a couple of dishes more? And finally, you just cook what the family wants. If the family wants a little more, there is nothing. I have told my cooks in the ashram, simple, very humble person, I'm telling you. I tell them, please make more. If they like it, we'll pack something to take home. They may feel hesitant to ask, but there are certain dishes you like. You want to take it for someone who is at home. This is, takeaway packet also should be there. This is my principle. I don't know. And the Lord and your good wishes and help, the ashram has been doing this for several years now. There are people who say, Amma, please pack this for us. This was nice. I said, please take, please take. The importance is that Yadavas were so hospitable that when the Swami came to their houses, they gave him bhiksha. Evam sthitasya parthasya panchashat divasagata, 25 days are over. Panchashat. 56 days, no? 56 days are over. Balabhadro yadun praha sarvesham cha upashunvatam. Balabhadra is Balramji. Balramji says, Yadavas. It's going to be monsoon time. It's going to be raining heavily. How can Swamiji go from house to house? Very difficult for Swamiji. It's difficult. Varshakalo ayam arabdaha chaturmasyam vratam tatha gata gatam katham yogi kurute ayam jagat guruhu. He becomes Jagat Guru now. Understand? From Swamiji, he became Yati. From Yati, he has become Jagat Guru. Now this Jagat Guru, what will he do? In the heavy rains, how can he go from house to house? So what is the way out? Tasmat asmat grihe vasa. I have a palace. And in the palace, there is a guest house. The guest house can be his home for a while. Kalpaniyo yate shubhaha udyananta grihe yogi. The Lord has planned everything. I always tell my audience, human beings plan, he master plans. He is making Balrama think this. I hope you understand. He is making Balrama say this. Yadavas, I have an idea. We have a garden house. The garden house, the best place for lovers to meet. What else can be more idyllic than a lovely place, a lovely garden, and a garden house, and ekanta, secluded garden house, because nobody goes to the garden house. No? Okay. Udyanantargrahe yogi guhayam vasatu dvijaha. No, let us ask him. Let us call him home. Asmat grahe. Kalpaniyo yate shubha. We should think of something shubha for him, something auspicious. He can't be allowed to roam like this from house to house, asking for bhiksha every morning. Ugrasena dayas sarve. All Ugrasena and others said, well said, Balram. Balramji, wonderful idea. Prashasamsur halayudham. They praised Balramji. Etasminnantare Shriman. Kampayitva Shirodharam. Ishat Utsmayamapannaha. Bhagavan Abravit Vachaha. Everybody said yes. Krishna said no. No. I don't approve of it. He is not only shaking his head, he is waving his lips. No, 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 no. And he is shocked. Ishat Utsmayam Apannaha. My God, you don't know the rules about sannyasa? No yati should live under a roof of a householder. And if he does so, there is no prayaschitta for it. I hope you know. When you offend somebody, you're defending somebody. The best way to make a person say yes is don't do it, and he will do it. That's the best way. You want to convince children, tell them don't eat ice cream, they will eat ice cream. You tell them please eat ice cream, I don't want ice cream. That is what the child will say. That is how childish we are. That is how the mind is. Yatir yadi vaset grehe yekaratram anapadi prayaschitto api nastyasya sadyo bhavati pataki. In one moment, he'll become a sinner. Pataki. He'll become a pataki. Balarama says, child Krishna, don't be puerile. Don't be childish. You don't know anything about dharma or adharma. Who's that? Who is that? Krishnam dharmam sanatanam. Krishnam dharmam sanatanam. Krishnam dharmam sanatanam. How can you say that of Krishna? He is dharma incarnate. Vatsa Krishna, na janasi dharma dharma vinischayam. What do you know about dharma and adharma, Krishna? Keep quiet. Don't interrupt. Yatinam samachittanam vane vaso astuva grahe. What does it matter? What does it matter to a man who has conquered his mind? You think this fellow has conquered his mind? He has lost his heart to Subhadra and has come all the way for this tapasya only. The Lord knows it, Arjuna knows it, and very soon Subhadra will know it. A yati, a saint who has conquered his mind, what does it matter where he lives, whether he lives in the vana or whether he lives in the house? Asmat grihe vasatyasmin mahan abhyudayo bhavet vruddha vakyanusarena tato mauni bhavadhuna. Every sentence in the Agneya Purana is interesting. Krishna, let him stay. Let him stay in our house. And much good will come out of it, certainly. There's no doubt. Because very soon you'll have a son-in-law at home. Much good. Mahan abhyudayo bhavet. There's going to be much good. If a yati comes home, there's going to be much good. And remember, stay silent. Shut your mouth. Because elders are speaking, youngsters have no business to interrupt. Vriddha vakyanusarena tato mauni bhavadhuna. Krishna says, yati sarvatmana pujya sarvaireva anasamshayaha katham rajagrihe ramye vaset esho atisaukyade. I have one doubt. True, that we should be hospitable to a yati. But how can he live in a palace? He's given up everything. And you are giving him luxury. How can I approve of that? Na vishwasyo yati karya kim puna rajamandire. You should not trust people, and that too in a palace, because there are so many beautiful girls around. Dasya yuvatya kanyacha sancharanti atishobhana. Most beautiful girls are there in the palace, including our lovely sister. That is what he means. I don't approve. He must be shrugging his shoulders, superstar, and say, I don't approve. Many rishis have fallen for beautiful women. Krishna, those were different times. Purvoktanam grahasthanam yatinam mahadantaram. There's a difference between this yati and those people. I will tell you the progress of this yati. Vanat yati puram nitaha. From the forest, he came into the city. Purat api grahantaram. From the city, he came into the house. Anitena na janeham. By his coming here, I don't know what is going to happen. I don't know what is going to happen. Kim kimatra bhavishyati. Simple Sanskrit. Kim kimatra bhavishyati. Kya kya hoga pata nahi. That is Krishna. That is Krishna. Atha Ramadaya Sarve Madhava Vruddha Sammata Vasudeva Gruhodhyane Yatim Aniya Sannataha. They brought the Yati into the garden house, very lovely place. Atha Kalantare Rama Alokya Yati Vaibhavam Shushrushartham Subhadram tu Prerayan Krishnam Abravit. Little by little, I hope you understand, things are becoming easier for Arjuna and the Lord Krishna. It's Krishna's planning, my dear listeners. I have always told you, intuition is the voice of God in man. How do you think of something? How do you think of something? People ask me, how do you get the title for the messages in the morning? I said, I don't get. He sends. He sends. And when he sends, I write. I don't know how I write. It is a dictation. It is I very humbly confess to you, while I'm walking about the ashram, suddenly a message comes. The title comes, and I note down on a piece of paper. That is what happens. All these thoughts about the Lord, which the Lord gives, are inspired by Him. There is no doubt about it. What does Balrama say? Swami, oh, you need some special care. And for the special care, I will send my own sister. My younger sister, Subhadra, she'll look after you. Especially after you. That's exactly what Krishna wants and exactly what Arjuna wants. Atha kalantare Ramaha, Rama means Balrama. Alokya yati vaibhavam. Oh, he wants the sage to be in comfort. Shushrushartham subhadram tu prerayan Krishnam abravit. After deciding that Subhadra should be sent to exclusively serve the sage, he called Krishna. Subhadram preshyatam Krishna supati praptaye tada. Look at the irony of the Agneya Purana. Let her get a good husband. Please send her. We in India believe that if our daughter serves a great man, she'll get a good husband. And it's the irony that she will get him as her husband. I hope you understand the irony. Supati prapti, supati, good pati prapti. Krishna says, Yatheshtam kriyatam arya bhavatbhir loka pujitaihi. You are a great man, Anna. Bada Bhai Sahab, you're a great man. Great men who are worshipped by the people of the world. Satsu ugrasena mukhyeshu katham siddhyen matam mama. Nobody will listen to me. I'm a youngster. Nobody will listen to me. All elders like you are taking the decision. What can I say? Vrutha nadushanam karyam yati nindakulakshayam. What is the comment? Don't talk ill about a yati. If you talk ill about a yati, it will bring destruction on the family. Kulakshayam. Ugrasena devi sabhyai agam antikam yatehe. All of them went to the yati and told him, Etat agamanam drishtva partho atidhyanamashritah. Suddenly, he is relaxing. The moment he finds that Balrama, Ugrasena, others are coming, suddenly he goes into dhyana. Deep dhyana. Because the yati wants to impress that he is in deep dhyana. Krishna kritanjalir bhutva. I like this scene very much. Krishna himself is doing pranam Swami, pranam Swami. Mandam yati muvachaha bhavanta krita krityahi paramatmaika bhavana ityuktopi abhavan mauni sardhon milita lochanaha padmasanam samasthaya nischalo bhut yatha bakaha. It's a very nice shloka which will make you also smile. The Lord says, Namaste Swami, Namaste. We are very happy that Bhavanta Krita Krityahi Paramatvaika Bhavanaha. We have great respect for you. When he said this, slowly, half open eyes were there from the yati. And then he sat in deep meditation. Padmasanam samasthaya. Nischalo abhut. He didn't move an inch. How was he? Like the crane, says the Bhagavata. Like the Agneya Purana. Like the crane. Have you seen the crane? The crane will sit on one foot and meditate with half open eyes. What is it meditating? To find the fish. The fish thinks the crane is sleeping. It'll pick up. That is how, yatha bakaha. That is how he is sitting. And Krishna says, this is the best line I like in this episode. My God, what meditation, what focus, what concentration, my yati. Aho dhyanam, aho dhyanam, aho dhyanam mahatmanaha. What dhyana? Dhyana of Subhadra. I hope you understand. It is now only Subhadra Dhyanam. Kim prayojanam asmabihi nirapekshasya yoginaha. What are we to do for him? Nothing we can do for him. He is at a high exalted level. Tathapi ashradhanoyam yaterantapurashrayat yatra kutrapi vasostu bhavet etat alaukikam sevart शुश्रूषयामास यतिम इंगितज्ञा शुचिस्मिता सा सुभद्रा विनीतात्मा सदाचार समन्विता. Now we have to call him. So they call him home, and in the garden house they tell him he is going to be served by their sister. Krishna and Balarama, sister is Subhadra, younger sister. Who is she? Sadachara Samanvita. She is a beautiful woman, at the same time a very well-behaved young lady. Shushrusayamasa yatim ingitagnya shuchismita. I've told you again and again and again in my talks. A woman is known by her smile. If the smile is pure, the woman is pure. In the Sundarakanda, Mother Sita is known as Shuchismita. In the Rukmini Vivaha Prasanga, Mother Rukmini is known as Shuchismita, pure smile one. Pure smiling one. That is the Shuchi means pure. And who is she? Shuchismita. Tat tat kale jalam vapi pushpam va adya yatyachati. Whatever Yati wants, she supplies. She brings tat tat kale. If he wants water, then there is water which is supplied. He wants flowers and fruits, she supplies fruits and flowers. Kadachit antikyam gatva. Every day she's serving him. Suddenly, she's a good woman. I'm reminded of Kunti. In Kunti's Swayamvara, Mahabharata says she was carrying the Varmala and going round. When she came to Pandu, her heart welled up with devotion. She knew he was the man for her, because pure hearts understand each other. That day, one day, this is the particular day I'm talking of, she comes close to him, Antikam Gatva, Lakshanat, Arjunasya sa, Shankita Sasmita Partha, Pranamanti Kritanjalihi. Look at the respectful way she is talking to him. My dear listeners, the Puranas are holy books. They may have love stories, but they don't have lust stories. They have love stories. And this love is something noble. Somehow, when she comes close, she sees the physique of a sannyasin. Generally, sannyasins don't have such a physique. Long arms, broad shoulders, large chest, very tall frame. Somehow she feels it must be Arjuna. It's long since she saw Arjuna. That is not mentioned. But she has Shankita. She has a doubt. Sasmita Partham Pranamanti Kritanjalihi. Look at the way a noble woman talks. She doesn't ask, who are you? She says, Yati, Swamiji, you have traveled far and wide. Yogin Sarvatra Sanchari, Tvam Sada Punya Bhumishu. You're a good man. And you have gone only to Punya Bhumis. Tirthas Nayi Gatapartha. I hope you remember. After that incident, when he had to cross the bedchamber of Dharmaraja, he had to go for 1 year of pilgrimage. So we have heard that Partha has gone on a pilgrimage. Arjuna has gone on a pilgrimage. During your pilgrimage, did you see him by chance? Did you meet Partha by chance? Tirthasnahi gata partha drushto va yatra kutrachit. Somewhere कहीं आपने देखा उनको? Did you see him anywhere? And suddenly she finds his eyes are full of recognition. So she asks him, are you Partha? Are you Arjuna? Bhadra Rupam Subhadraya Tanniriksha Shuchismitaha. He is also smiling. Athava Yogi Yogi Varyatvam Sayeva Arjuna Samgitaha. Yeti, Swami, are you Arjuna in disguise? Tathaiva Rajase Maidya Tatvam Bruhi Vacho Mune. Please tell me the truth. Are, are you by chance Arjuna himself in disguise? Arjuna says, yes, ma'am, this is me. And I've come all the way only for you. Saevayam Mahabhage. Oh, fortunate one. Partha ityabhivishruta. They call me Partha. They call me Arjuna. Yati rupam samasthaya tvat samagam akankshaya. Only to marry you I have come. I have come for you. And now Subhadra says, there are lots of hurdles in the path. In the path of our love, there are lots of hurdles. Mat pani grahane adyatvam kim upayam avekshase suyodhanaya ramadya dasyama iti nishchitam. What shall we do now? You're in love with me and I'm in love with you. But there are obstacles. My eldest brother and the elders at home have decided to give me to Duryodhana, Suyodhana. Most of them call him Suyodhana. We will call him Duryodhana. Dharmaraja never calls him Duryodhana because Du Pratyaya is Dushta. He'll always call him Suyodhana, even when he's cheating him in the game of dice. That is Dharmaraja. Ajata Shatru. Suyodhanaya Ramadya Dasyama iti Nishchita. What I like about Arjuna is his unflinching faith in Krishna. Subhadra, we have only one resort. Artha, Vishanna, Shitilacha, Bhita, Goreshu, Vyadishu, Vartamana, Sankirtya Narayana, Shabda Matram, Vimukta Dukha, Sukino Bhavantu. Krishnaya Vasudevaya, Haraye Paramatmane, Pranata Kleshanashaya, Govindaya Namo Namaha. He is your brother and he is my friend. Whom else can we approach in this world, Subhadra? Who else is there to help us? Matvanyatha matim kurya. Don't think otherwise. Tvam vina pinameratihi. I have decided to marry you and only you. Tvam vina pinameratihi. I have interest in nobody else. I want you as my wife. Tameva sharanam gaccha. We shall go to him. Who is he? Krishnam artartinashanam. If there was no problem, how could he be the solution? So he is the artarti nashanam. He is the remover of the sorrow of the sorrowful. Artarti nashanam. That is Krishna, my dear listeners. He is Krishna. He is the one who can remove our sorrow. Let us go to him. Tameva sharanam gaccha. Go and fall at his feet and ask him for help. Krishnam artarti nashanam. Artha is a man who is sorrowful. Arti is sorrow. Nashana is one who removes. Let us approach him. You go and ask him. He is your brother. Go and tell him that this is the problem, and only Krishna can solve, because only he can solve problems. The Lord is the master of the world. He is Artinashana. No wonder all bhaktas have approached him when they are in problem. We will see what happens tomorrow. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurtara, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvanirmatirbhava. Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 Krishna Narayana 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 Satya Narayana 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 Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatirmamam. God willing, we meet tomorrow. By the way, let me repeat my announcement. On the 30th of this month, we start Bhagavatam in English between 5:30 and 8 every day for 7 days. This is sponsored by the Luthria family from Bombay. All are welcome. 30th of November to 6th of December, 5:30 to 8, Bhagavatam in English. The same Zoom ID. God willing, we meet for the Saptah.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna
Jai
Amma.
Shri Krishna
Jai
Amma.
Shri Krishna Amma.
Thank you so much, Amma. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma ji.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Ekta, on behalf of your family, I have invited everybody.
Yes, Amma, thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ekta.
Everyone, please attend. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma. Jai
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Did you like the poster?
Yes,
Very
Amma.
much.
Yes.
So lovely, so lovely.
Lovely, Amma. And so was your explanation. Beautiful, romantic. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Thank you, ma. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amma.